Living in a small studio apartment doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style or comfort. It's all about how smartly you use every inch of your space with intention. The first step is decluttering. Remove what you don't use and keep only what matters. Once you clear the space, it instantly feels lighter, calmer, and easier to design. Invest in multifunctional furniture. Pieces that serve more than one purpose are absolute lifesavers. A sofa that converts into a bed or a table with hidden storage can change everything. Vertical space is your best friend. Shelves, wall hooks, and racks make organizing effortless. Don't waste your walls. They can hold books, plants, or even small foldable desks. Choose a light neutral color palette to make your apartment feel airy and open. Soft whites, beiges, and muted tones reflect light beautifully and make your room look bigger. Avoid bulky furniture. Instead, go for sleek, minimal designs that don't overwhelm the room. Transparent or glass furniture pieces can also create an illusion of space and openness. Lighting plays a huge role. Mix natural light with layered warm lamps for cozy evenings. Avoid harsh white lights. Go for soft golden tones that make everything look inviting. Use mirrors to double your space visually. Place them opposite windows for the best effect. Try modular furniture. It adapts to your needs without taking up too much room. Hidden storage benches or underbed drawers are perfect for keeping clutter out of sight. Keep surfaces clear. Less visual noise means your home feels calmer and more refined. Add texture instead of too much color. Think linen cushions, jute rugs, and wooden accents. Plants are perfect for small spaces. They bring life without taking much floor area. Go for vertical plants or hanging ones to add greenery without crowding the room. Avoid over-decorating. Choose fewer items but with stronger design impact or emotional value. A few well-placed pieces can make your apartment feel elegant and intentional. Create zones within your studio. A corner for work, one for rest, one for dining. Even small rugs or lighting changes can help define these mini zones effectively. Use lightweight curtains or sheer fabrics to let light flow through the entire space. Every design decision should balance beauty, comfort, and practicality. Consider foldable chairs, nesting tables, or pull-out kitchen counters for flexibility. Keep your flooring consistent to maintain a seamless flow throughout the apartment. Always choose furniture that fits your space, not what you wish your space was. Floating shelves are amazing for storage and keep your floor area feeling open. Add personal touches, art, candles, or small decor items that make the space feel like home. Avoid overstuffing your space with decor. Let it breathe. Let each piece shine. Smart organization is key. Baskets, boxes, and labels make everyday living effortless. Remember, simplicity is the new luxury, especially in compact urban living. Prioritize quality over quantity. One timeless piece beats 5 trendy ones any day. Create balance. Mix natural materials with modern designs for warmth and character. Keep electronics and cables hidden for a clean, uninterrupted visual flow. Add a signature scent. Candles or diffusers can make your home feel instantly welcoming. Use your windows wisely. Light is free, and it makes everything feel better. Don't underestimate small upgrades like new handles, frames, or cushions. They transform instantly. Play with height and layers. Add visual depth using decor at different levels. If possible, keep one wall minimal to act as a calm visual anchor. The secret lies in balance. Cozy but uncluttered. Stylish but practical. Every piece should earn its place in your apartment. Form and function together. Focus on comfort. Soft lighting, cozy fabrics, and open walkways make living easy. Let your apartment tell your story through your choices, colors, and calm energy. Remember, space saving doesn't mean boring. It means living smarter and more beautifully. Small spaces can feel luxurious when designed with love, patience, and thoughtful detail. Your studio apartment isn't just tiny and it's perfectly yours, full of charm and creativity.